Lumina Forza Colore Chocolate. Powerful treatment that revitalizes, intensifies, and prolongs the color of treated hair. Ideal for damaged and dry hair. Its unique ingredients deposit nutrients, fine conditioners, and botanical protein complexes, in addition to micropigments. Our model had her hair dyed chocolate tone 6.35, dark golden blonde mahogany, but in a very faded tone. We proceeded to apply Lumina Forza Colore. Directions: wash with shampoo profondo. Remove excess water. Apply Lumina Forza Colore on wet hair with gloves and brush. Leave on for 15 minutes using heat. In the specific case of Forza Lumina Colore Mattisant, time will be handled visually. The results are immediate. Intense renovated hair color with a quick and simple color bath. To maintain the color, it is essential to use post-color shampoo.